Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. This is my second tutorial, a common problem on Windows 10, app not opening. Since exactly we cannot identify the reason of this problem, so we need to apply multiple steps to fix this issue. In this video, I will show you one method to fix this issue. First of all, go to Start and search by CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes option, you will get on the screen. Now you have to type charting command on the CMD. If you want, you can collect the command from my video description. After typing, press enter on your keyboard. Now type second command. After typing, press enter on your keyboard. It ScanHealth directly from the Microsoft server, so you must have internet connection while performing in this step. Type third command. And press enter on your keyboard. In this step, you must have internet connection while performing. When processing is done, you can see successful message on the screen. After completed, close this window typing exit command. Now restart your window and check your problem solved or not. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.